Happy New Year, everybody! This is my first video in 2024. In this video, I will be talking to you about this. Do you know what this is called? A toiletry kit. So I will be talking to you about the different items that can be found in a toiletry kit. Things you would find in the bathroom. So let's start. Now, I'm going to open this toiletry kit. The first thing we have is this. Do you know what this is? A box of bandages, or in British English, plasters. But in America, in Canada, we say bandages. Next, we have this. A bottle of vitamins. Next, we have a little bottle of shampoo to use to wash your hair. Shampoo. Next item, you might know this one, a toothbrush. We use this to brush our teeth. Toothbrush. Next, with the toothbrush, you need toothpaste. Next, we have a little bar of soap. A bar of soap. In British English, we call this a cake of soap. But it's not the cake that we eat as a dessert. Don't eat this. But again, in Canada and in the United States, we say a bar of soap. Next item, we have a razor to shave with. Razor. Here we have a comb. We comb our hair with a comb. What else do we have? We have an eyeglass cleaner to clean our glasses, like these. Eyeglass cleaner. Next item, we have these tablets here called acetaminophen. Next, we have this. It's called shaving lotion. After having shaved with a razor, we can use this lotion to keep the skin smooth. Shaving lotion. What else do we have? Mouthwash. We gargle this in the mouth to kill germs. Mouthwash. Here we have some cotton swabs. Cotton swabs. Some people use them in the ears, but doctors say we shouldn't be doing that. It's not good for you. Cotton swabs. Next, also for your teeth, dental floss. Dental floss. Almost done. Or here we have some drops. These are ear drops when your ears are causing you problems. Ear drops. Next, this little object is to clip your nails. We call this a nail clipper. Nail clipper. And one last item, these. Scissors. That's to help cut some hairs, like your eyebrows here. Scissors. So these are some popular objects you can find in a toiletry kit, like this one. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something. And again, Happy New Year!